Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Lenovo ThinkPad L14 Yoga camera driver. So open any browsers to Google search box to like that. Then go to first URL. This is pcsupport.lenovo.com. This is officially website. Go open and then click. So you can see there are two type driver installed. First automatic and second manual. Okay. So if you detect automatically and require driver to your system and install also automatic, so selected that. But you have install the separate driver, so select a driver, scroll down, camera, scroll down, and you can check the integrated camera driver, then download. This is the size you can see, 88. Select after click or downloaded driver, then yes, okay, next, I accept, next, install, next, install. You can see this is extract data, extract driver. Okay, and then finish it.